Hello geometry students! I'm guessing that you're fine because those proofs are making you a little bit crazy, so come along and join me. On this lesson, we'll visualize our way through it and come up with some good strategies. Okay, so let's practice with proofs. So I know that they're making you crazy, so let's go ahead and work through 3 different examples so that you can better wrap your head around and how to strategize and complete these things and how, as is the case with any of these proofs. So we always have a diagram and some given information and something that we have to prove, and we can prove things by applying what we already know about geometry to that given information and the diagram as we construct a logical argument using a statement and a reason table. This example, we want to prove that triangle GFK is congruent to triangle HFJ. In other words, we have to show that purple triangle is the same size as the pink triangle. So, we have to show that they are congruent. Now, we only have one given here, and that is the line GJ and line HK, that they are bisecting each other at F. And our reason, of course, is that it is given. Now, to visualize this, we note that G, J, and KH, those 2 line segments bisect each other at point F. Now, when they bisect each other, they cut each other into 2 equal halves. So, we can conclude that segment GF is congruent to JF. And also, that segment KF is congruent to HF. And our reason for saying this is that is the definition of bisect. Next, we should notice that we have a pair of vertical angles. So we can say that angle GFK and angle HFJ are congruent, and our reason for saying that they are congruent because they have vertical angles, and we know that all vertical angles are congruent. Okay, so now at this point, we should look at our diagram and ask ourselves, do we have enough information to prove that triangle GFK is congruent to triangle HFJ?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So the answer to that question should be yes, because in each triangle, we have 2 congruent and 1 congruent angle in between them. So, we can use the side angle side postulate to prove that triangle GFK is congruent to triangle HFJ, and that proof is totally done. So now, I bet that you feel a little bit better right now. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so after that, that is the first one example that I am showing to you, okay? Okay.